So, do crystals actually work? Let's talk about it. Crystals have been used for thousands of years in various cultures, not just as beautiful decorations, but as tools for healing, grounding, and spiritual growth. But how do they actually work? Well, it's not magic, it's energy. Imagine this. Everything around us, including our bodies and our thoughts, has energy. Crystals are structured in a very stable, repeating pattern at the molecular level. This gives them consistent vibrations that can interact with our own energy fields. When we use crystals with intention, like calming anxiety or boosting confidence, we're essentially tuning our energy to match the crystal's vibration. It's like tuning into a radio frequency that helps you feel more aligned. Do you have to believe in it? Not really. Some people experience clear benefits mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Others simply enjoy how grounding or comforting it feels to hold something so natural and beautiful. So, if you're curious, let's talk about these 10 crystals that are perfect for beginners. Clear quartz. If you're ever unsure which crystal to use, go with this. It amplifies energy, intentions, and works well with all other crystals. Smoky quartz. This is the stone I reach for the most. It absorbs negative energy and transforms it into positive. It's great for staying grounded and manifesting your goals. Citrine. Citrine is like sunshine in a crystal form. It boosts your self esteem, attracts success, and helps manifest prosperity. Together, these three are a powerful trio, helping you stay grounded, clear, and positive. But we're not done yet. Here are 7 more to round out your collection. Rose quartz. It supports all kinds of love: self love, romantic love, friendship. It's literally a heart healer. Amethyst. This helps you tune into your inner wisdom, dreams, and spiritual guidance. It's calming and great for meditation. If you want to remember your dreams better, just sleep with one under your pillow. Black tourmaline. It's a powerful stone for protection and grounding. It keeps negative energy away, whether it's from your environment or your own overthinking. Rainbow fluorite. It balances energy and supports clear thinking. It deepens intuition and also promotes loving communication. Just look how beautiful that is. Carnelian. It gives you energy, courage, and creativity. It helps you set boundaries and express yourself with integrity. Hematite. It protects and grounds just like tourmaline, but it also helps attract the kind of energy that you want in your life. So, really 2 in 1. Finally, we have turquoise. It promotes luck, prosperity, and personal power. A stone of wisdom and protection that's been used for centuries. These 10 crystals are your energetic toolbox, each one supporting a different area of life, from love to protection, intuition to manifestation. Just remember, crystals aren't a magic fix, but they can be a powerful reminder, little companions to help you tune into the best version of yourself. So whether you wear them or do gua sha with them, meditate with them, let your crystals journey begin. I have linked this beautiful book about crystals for beginners. I've also linked all the 10 crystals in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.